What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. Today we're going to be talking about how to make a personal portfolio using Canva. We're in the Canva, so make sure you have your own account so that we can start making a portfolio. First, type in the search bar portfolio. As you can see, these are the results of the portfolio. It's already made templates. Now choose any of the portfolios you like. For me, I'll be choosing this one because it suits my style. Now click on Customize this template. Here we are in a new tab. You will be able to add an element here by clicking on Elements in the right side of your screen. And you can type into the search bar in the Elements tab to search for the elements you would like to add, as you can see in the video. On the portfolio text, if you want to delete it, you can simply double click on it and voila, it disappears. If you want to add another portfolio, click Add Page, then click the Design tab and look for the portfolio again. Choose any design and drag it. Same content as the last one where you can edit anything you want. So if you're all done on the portfolio, just click share on the top right of your screen and click download to download your design and the portfolio. That's basically it.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.